This combination is going to work way better than any of those other combinations I've had in the other videos. There are a lot of different things you can do that will work, but this is the most powerful. But just as a side note, black seed oil will work as well. White horehound. And at the same time you're doing that, you're taking 20,000 IUs of vitamin D3 with vitamin K2 with magnesium. Sometimes it also comes with zinc. That would be also really good. That is ultimately going to correct this problem. This other combination is a quick fix, and it's going to really help you get rid of this fast so you can sleep through the night and you can stop coughing.